Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Hope you're all well. We're into another week of quarantine, alhamdulillah. I thought I'd share a little bit more about the kids' schedules and how I'm coping and how this technique or this method has worked out for me, since so many of you guys have messaged in my comments in my previous video. Jazakallah khair for all the love. I can't repay you guys enough, but this method has really worked out for me. As you guys can see, I make these schedules every morning or every night before I go to bed or before the kids are up, since they're waking up late. So basically what I did was just got two notebooks, a blue, nice bright color, something that make the kids a little, perked up and happy. I got a set of markers, and what I do is for every single day I make a new schedule. Now my kids are small, and even for the ones that are big, I know how they personally are. We can't function at a perfect timetable. For the eldest Aves, I made this one out. For Anas, the younger one, it has no time. Now they know as soon as we're up and stuff and they sit around, watch TV, get a little comfortable and everything, then it's time to have breakfast and get on with the schedule and the days. So for example, this one is Anas's schedule. So I just put the day on top, and then it's just simple. Brush your teeth, change your clothes, make your bed, vacuum your room, tidy it all up, start on your homework. After homework, I give them about 30 minutes, 15, 20, 30 minutes to play, free time, go outside, take a break. Then it's time for namaz. They read their sabak, and then after that I let them go play outside, and I let them just kind of enjoy that time for a while, especially for him since he's younger, and then he'll help me later on. Now for Aviz, it's a little different. I have times up for him, and his is a little more on his schedule than Anas's. He would make his beds, clean the room, and then at 2 o'clock we all pray namaz, read our Quran. At 3, he helps me in the kitchen. At 4, he takes out the trash from all the bathrooms. At 5, they go outdoors, but they have to pick up anything that's out there, clean up, and have fun. Then at 6, he has to re-vacuum the living rooms. I make it in detail for him to light the candles and to wipe down all the tables and things like that. Since in the morning times, I get that cleaned up while they're still like in bed or laying around. So then in the afternoon or evening, it's his time. So friends, I hope that you guys can kind of see how our schedules are throughout the day, and trust me, this gives them a little more confidence. They feel like they're doing something, accomplishing something throughout the day. Otherwise, to be honest, even these kids have anxiety and they're kind of stressed out from what's going on. So do try this. I'm sure you guys already have good schedules for your kids, but this is what I'm doing. And then every time they're done, I just check it off, and then they're so at peace, and so am I. Giving our kids tasks and something to look forward to during these very tough times is really, really rewarding for them. Them knowing that they actually did something and they feel good about themselves, they're more confident, and we can, reward them for this as well. So I do give them allowance and reward them and stuff when they're good, and I'll share that in my next video with you guys as well. Like I've mentioned in my previous video, friends, I'm letting the kids have more fun with me around the kitchen. So this day I thought, you know what, let's all make personal pan-sized pizzas. They'll have something to look forward to on that specific day, and they'll feel so happy, and they sure did, guys. You guys have to try this with your kids, okay? And don't forget to let me know when you guys do. So what I did was I preheated my oven, took out the tray in my oven, and put foil all over it. Then what I did was I made some dough. It's my very simple pizza dough recipe. I've shared it with you guys before, and the link will be right down below.
How do you do it? You make that. Now a big piece on the back. Now we're making pizza. Okay, pizza. Wait, let's get it to that. Now the other side.
I also prepared a real quick and yummy sauce. I added some tomato sauce to a saucepan and added some salt, pepper, red chili flakes, cumin seeds, garlic seasoning, and I let that boil for about 15 minutes, and our pizza sauce was all done.
That's it.
That's it. Good job, Saleh. دير خشتة ها. بس. Put yours where you want it to be done. This is a real great and very neat idea for the little ones who wouldn't love to make their own pizzas, because you know that's every child's favorite thing in the world, right? So it's a good time to bond with the kids, you know, teach them, and they're learning and they're having fun. So I think this is a great idea. Saleh has been obsessed with coloring and drawing, and lately he's been wanting to make little tattoos on his hands and his arms. So we've been really trying to deal with that.
Yes, wait! And make the nose.
We baked our pizzas for about 15 minutes and they were all done. Done before we even imagined they'd be done. And as you guys can see, they kind of got overly broiled from the top, but the kids did not mind. They were still so delicious. Luckily, the veggie one got saved. Even this was still so good. Saleh wanted to cut the square one, the square face right out of the pizza, but he promised to eat the edges as well. I also wanted to share with all of you guys, friends, that we're finally making a garden. I'm so happy and so excited. This is something that I've been wanting for years. It's been so many years that we haven't had a garden. So inshallah, I can't wait to take you guys all along with me and share everything with you guys. The kids were also so excited when we received this package. This is an amazing dish rack. It's from the company Chastu, and I'll leave all the information down below for you guys in case any of you guys have been considering like a new trendy amazing dish rack. Guys, this is the one. This rack is different from your traditional dish racks, and the Chastu dish rack lets your dishes drip right over the sink. So this is over the sink dish rack. It frees up all your counters. It lets your dishes dry up faster. You don't have to worry about, like, you know, a draining board or your board collecting water or any molds or anything like that. This comes with everything that you need to put it together. It grips really nice onto your sink. That's what I love, like on your counter. So it doesn't move. It's not flimsy. It's really sturdy and really good like that. Like I said, it comes with the tools to put this together, and Aves helped me put it together in just minutes. This is the completed and finished product. As you guys can see, it's amazing. If you guys have this kind of faucet or the bigger, taller kinds, it works with both. That was one thing I was scared of because we're planning on changing ours soon. But yeah, guys, this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, I put some dishes up there just for display. Cups, you can put fruit, you can put cups up there. You can put your plates up there to dry. It has a compartment for like your knives. You put your paper towel there. You can hang your cups up there, put your knives down there, put your cutting boards on the side right here, and you can put your utensils up there. More dishes up here. So overall, I give this product 10 out of 10. It's life-changing. It's amazing, especially if you have a tight space or a small house. I think this would work wonders. Do check them out. I'll leave all the description information down below in the description. Check it out, guys. If this is something you guys are planning on investing in, I think you guys will make a good decision. And I hope and pray that you guys did enjoy today's video. I'm praying for all of you guys. Stay safe. Thank you guys so much for all your guys' love and support, and do keep us in your duas, and see you guys in the next video right after this. Allah Hafiz.